Great choice today with the 2018 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, roof rack, speed control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.